Good morning again, and welcome back to Backpacktrader Training Room Crude Oil Inventory Report Session for Wednesday, July the 10th, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right. That is all of our need for disclosures today. Another 30 seconds to the report coming out. Crude spotlight, 8-tick range bar, 8-cent momentum bar on the right. Upper left is unleaded, 20-tick range bar, 0.002 momentum bar. And lower left is crude 377 tick chart on counterpunch. And the report is out. All right, so far that is our reaction range. No, actually, probably right there. And then the bottom side, not much of a reaction, which I was kind of worried about seeing what we saw. We now have a short trade that's definitely a reaction trade. I'm going to look for a new trade. I'm not going to take that one as it's just as it stands. Here's a possible long trade on the 377 tick. Needing to wait another 40 seconds. And now we have a short trade. So we have long and a short set up. And the short just triggered in, so that cancels the long. So the short is a get in sync now. And I move that down to 47. And now we have a long trade as well. That's at 58. And the long triggers in. And that went too far, too fast. Well, actually, no, it hasn't gone too far. Still a valid get in sync because money management's way up here above target 2. Entry at 131 on unleaded. We got the 132, so make that 133 for the entry. Get in sync long in play on, and we did trigger into the long on unleaded. And there is a long trade on crude. 81.68. And 81.68 triggers in. Target 1, money management. I'd take the stop down to 44 and hide it behind both the 50 and the 200 EMA there. Money management and target 1 and target 2. So we are done with the 377 with Spotlight Crude. We triggered in and we've hit target 2, trailing at 179 on unleaded. We did get in sync with the trade that set up 5 seconds before on the 377. It goes to money management, and target will be target 3, and it did hit that and stops out at 81.67 from 81.58. So 9 on the trailer, 12 on target, and a 1 and done. All 3 charts already done. How was that? That was a fast session. 7 minutes. So 5 minutes after we started taking trades, we're done on all 3 charts. That's the way to trade comfortably. Get your trades in, get on with your day. Questions or comments? Not a whole lot more to talk about. Unleaded stopping out at, looks like 194 from 133. 61 ticks on the trailer. 55 or 77, depending on which target you used. 77 and 61, 138 ticks. Not a bad morning, or not a bad session for the inventory report. Not a big win on the morning session, but that makes 2 wins on the day for unleaded, 2 for crude. Crude comes back to its trailing stop now. So all 3 charts are complete with the trades that took us to positive goals. Nobody's putting in any questions or comments. So bang, bang, bang session. That's a wrap. And everybody's taken off. No session next week. I will be on the road, unable to be in the room. The room will be dark next week. Everybody have a good afternoon, and we'll see you tomorrow at 9:30.